For example number 2, we want to find a formula for the general term a subscript n of the sequence, assuming that the pattern of the first few terms continues. So the first term of the sequence is 3 over 5, or 3/5. Second term is negative 4 over 25. So in the first step, what I'm doing is I'm writing out what each term of the sequence looks like. So a subscript 1, meaning the first term, is 3/5. A subscript 2 is negative 4 over 25. A subscript 3 is 5 over 125. A subscript 4 is negative 6 over 625. And A subscript 5 is 7 over 3,125. Now, we need to analyze what's happening with this term of the sequence. Now, let's take a look at the numerators first. Now, the numerators of these fractions start with the number 3, and then it increases by 1 whenever we go to the next term. Now, the nth term will have a numerator of n plus 2. Now, the denominators, if we look at the denominators of this sequence, we can see that they are powers of 5. So the nth term will have a denominator of 5 to the nth power. And then also, if you take a look at each of the terms of the sequence, the signs of the terms are alternately positive and negative. So we need to multiply by a power of negative 1. So we want to start the sequence with a positive term, and then we can use either one or the other. We can use negative 1 to the n minus 1 or negative 1 to the n plus 1. So then we can write this sequence, or in this case, looking for the formula would be a subscript n, which is equal to negative 1 to the power of n minus 1 times n plus 2 divided by 5 to the nth power.